If you're currently working with labels on your Trello board and you want to edit them, then it's very easy to do. So how do you do that? Once you're inside Trello, you want to find a list where you have those different labels. So let's say on this list here, I have two labels and I want to edit them. I can simply right click on it and you can click on edit labels and you will see the current labels that you have here. So here I have two labels. So let's say I want to go ahead and say change this from implement to implemented. I can click on this pencil icon towards the right of the label and I can edit it and I can change the color. I can, let's say I want to change the color or change the design, I can change that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and go for, let's say, this design as an example here, and then I can just put word implemented and then click and save, and you will see immediately when I click off and click save again that the new label is now updated, and you can see that when I hover over it, it shows the word implemented. And that's it. And that's how easy it is, guys, to, let's say, edit your labels in Trello.